Okay, grade 11s and 12. Let's see what we have here. They say in the diagram PQRS is a cyclic quad. So this is a cyclic quad, and they tell us with RS and PQ that are equal. So this tells me that these two angles are equal, base angles of a triangle. So if I have a triangle like this is equal to that. This tells you that the angles, the base angles will be equal also. Okay, let's try and answer this question. Oh, we have another statement that says ST is a tangent. So what I need you to note, if ST is a tangent, just know that the angle between a tangent and the chord, that angle is equals to the angle that chord subtend at the circumference. So these two angles, angle S1 will be equals to angle Q1, tan chord theorem. Okay, let's try to work out on this question. Determine with reason the size of angle P. This is my angle P. So angle P is equals to angle R2. So the reason is that this is a exterior angle of a cyclic quad. If you have a cyclic quad like this, and then all the points are on the circumference, just know that this angle, it will be equal to the interior opposite angle. So these two angles will be equal. So I'm just going to say angle P is equals to angle R2, which is equals to 68 degrees. The reason that you need to give them is that this is exterior angle of a cyclic quad. Right, so let's answer the next question. What is angle Q1? So we already know that angle Q1, this angle, is equals to angle S1. So Q1 is equals to, they said, what is angle Q1? Oh, angle Q1 is equals to S2. Let's start there. Angle Q1 is equal to S2. Reason, we said this will be opposite. Angle opposite equal side, because we have RQ to be equals to SR. Okay, so now we need to find the size of angle Q1. Let us quickly work on that so that we can write it down. Eh? So let's quickly work on that angle. Okay, so now we are saying that Q1 is equals to angle S2, and we've already give a reason that this is angle opposite equal side because these two lines are equal. So now remember that when we take angle Q1, we add that with angle S2. When we add these two angles, what do we get? We need to get an answer of 68 degrees. What is your reason for that? Exterior angle of a triangle. So if I have a triangle like this and I have an exterior angle here, this angle is equal to the sum of the two interior angles. So which one am I referring to? Look at this. This is my triangle here, and that triangle has an exterior angle which is R2. So now when we add these two interior opposite angles, they should give us R2. So now we know that these two, we just said they are equal, but when you add them you get 68. What is this telling you? Is that one of this angle, this angle is half of this 68. So this tells us that angle Q1 is just 34 degrees. Because remember they are equal, 34 plus 34 will give us 68. So Q1 will be 34. Then the last question says what is angle S1? And we said angle S1 is a tan, an angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle subtended by that chord at a circumference. So Q1, S1 is equal to Q1. And remember we just calculated Q1 to be 34 degrees. What will be the reason for this? The reason will be tan chord theorem. Tan chord theorem. And that's it for this lesson. This is how you find the angles.